Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can add GIFs to Google Slides. So before I want to start, I'm just gonna say I'm sorry for my voice because I'm sick, but let's just get started with the video. Go to insert image and select search the web, and you're just going to type in GIFs like so, and hopefully these images are like GIFs. So I'm just going to select this one and select insert, or you can double tap on the images and it's going to be inserted to your slideshow. You can do more than one too, so I'm just going to double click that. There you go. And if I select slideshow, it's going to move because it's a GIF. And that's pretty much how you can add GIFs to your Google Slides. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!